Yeah, I'm in the back of the house at 1600 South Street. This time I'll show you the exterior plus the interior. I'll walk by here. This is the backyard. That's the laundry room area. It's the back screen area. All right. I go to the back of the car. Pushed up to the fence pretty much. All right, little interior work need to be done. All right, little shed back here. All right, just gonna walk you around it. Big unit. Yeah, it's a big unit right here. 1,600 square feet. It's a huge home. All right, we're going around the front of the house. Nice landscaping area. Nice little yard area space. All right, want to look at the breaker box. All right, that's electric. Electric is on right now. All right, we in there screwing the windows closed. So you go to the front of the house. And then here go the side of the house where you saw the BMW backed up. All right, so we're gonna go inside this time. Bear with me. The people moved out and decided that they wanted to. Well, yeah. Basically, they had to move. When they moved, they left a lot of their stuff. They left a lot of this stuff. Bottom line. So bear with me on how this house look. It was in way better shape, cleaned out. But unfortunately, when they left a lot of stuff. So, walking you through it. Sorry for the long video. Big old house, y'all. This is the bedroom. Y'all already seen one bedroom. You seen the common area. This is a bedroom or den. This is more of a kitchen, formal dining area. I think it was a duplex, y'all. And somebody made it one. I think it was a duplex and somebody made it one with a common area. All right, you got a tub right here. Tub, full bath, shower. All right, a little pantry area right here. All right, little closet pantry area. All right, so that's one dining room, den, or whatever you want to call it, and then it could be a bedroom. This is a bedroom. Got a little closet. That's a little shared closet. That's a little bathroom. That's a room right there. The door lock. All right, this the common area. Common area. And that front room that y'all saw, let me go ahead and tell you about that. It's the front room. It's one room, but again, this is like a den / kitchen / dining area, but you got a common closet area. It's an older house. That's a closet right there. And then that's another bathroom. So this is a closet. It's the attic right here. All right. Then this is a bathroom. All right. This bathroom ain't got no shower in it, but it's a bathroom. Full bathroom. All right. Then you got a room right here. And that door locked. We got to break in there and get back in there. They got a lock. This is another bedroom or den or whatever, and it's got a share. This is a bedroom. They got a closet. So a closet means you got a bedroom, all right? And they go to the attic I was telling you about, all right? Wait till you get to the roof. So this is another room, and then we back to the common area. It's kitchen area. I ain't gonna be able to go back there in the laundry room / outside door / everything out there. They got it locked, and we each gonna screw it. We screwed the door closed. Here's a bedroom. They left all the goodies on the ground. Roaches having a field day. All right, and that's a closet. A lot of roaches. So, all right, again, this is the back of the house. Got a laundry room area. All right, hot water tank area. That's a door leading to the room over there, and that's the door leading outside to the backyard. All right, wash and dry area back there. And this is the kitchen. All this was updated, painted, and looked better than it looked now. So, it's plugs. Big screen TV, y'all. They had a nice TV. So this is the house. Like I said, we got to break into that room back there. It's another room. It's another room back there, bedroom back here. All right, and that's the whole house. So they left us some bleach. Well, we'll take the bleach. Thanks for the bleach, people. The bleach full. Brand new bleach and some Fabulosis. That's full as well. Trying to get as much that we can from here, cause they ain't paid me. All right.